It's a bibbidi bobbidi day, a bibbidi bobbidi day, tra la 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 la, bibbidi bobbidi day. Leave it to the experts. Sit in, maestro. Excited you ready for this? Oh dear, you know when you really think you've got it down pat and you try it. Bibbidi bobbidi day. Is that, am I not singing it to Follow the Yellow Brick Road? A bibbidi bobbidi day, tra la 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 la, bibbidi bobbidi day, tra la 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 la, tra la 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 la. It's a bibbidi bobbidi day today. That was good. I like that. Oh, I'm so excited. Right, this is my second box this month. Second box. Oh, I love this. I thought I'd ordered a fantasy box, but it's actually an ultimate box. So I got that bit wrong and I am so excited. And it's a very tiny box, but I think it's got a lot of hidden goodies. So shall we have a look? Oh, I'm so excited. I love this. I love the box. I love everything about it. And I've been really naughty. I haven't kept any of the boxes yet. I don't hoard things, but I'm going to keep this one because it's smaller. So I'm hoping that it's more usable, because bigger boxes, where do you put them? And especially in our English houses, which are so tiny, where do you put them? So I'm really thrilled. One day I'm going to get a big box. I can feel it. I can feel it now. But at the moment I'm getting the little boxes, which suit me just fine because they're full to capacity with fabulous stuff, and it's not even closing. It's full. So yeah, shall we open it? Shall we see what we've got today? Oh my, okay. So then, let's open this. I've got my safety knife. Right. People must think, why has she got a safety knife? When I used to be a full-time manager, I worked for Woolworths, and we used to have these all the time upstairs to open all the stock boxes, so I'm used to these. So yeah, it was just a given, and whereas I'm a bit dangerous with anything else. So right, let's open this. Put a bit of muscle behind it. Little things. You notice stars and stripes today. I'm feeling very patriotic. Right, let's have a look. So I've got the same card as before because it's the same month. So I've got the Cinderella card in this one. So exactly the same as my other box. But look at this. I have got my spoiler packing note. I have. It's been missing from the past few, but I've got one. Yay, I'm part of the gang. Oh, it's going to be one of them days, isn't it? Look at this. Oh, I love this. It's got blue. Can you see all the swirlies? I love this. I hate vacuuming up after them, but I love them. And we have got, it's a real party going on here. We've got circles and stars, and can you see those? We've got circles and stars going on. We've got circles and stars going on here, so we've got a real party theme. I'm so excited. Can I preserve my sticker? Thank you. Oh, I'm really excited. Okay. When you see someone open something on their channel and you're like, I need that would fit into my life perfectly. What you do is you go into your preferences. So you log into your account first. It seems strange because you log in and then you go into your preference manager and you have to log in again. But that's right, that's fine, that's correct. And then you go in and you fill in everything. So at the moment I'm not having any ears because I have that many ears. I don't know what to do with them. And I don't do plushies very rarely because where do I store them? So you go there, you list all of that, and if you've got, so like Jim Shaw figures, I've listed the ones I've got, so in case I ever get one, the girls there know which ones I've already got. Because it helps, because for anyone buying you something, it's a nightmare if you've got no guidance and no lines. So you give as much information as you can. There's also a thing on there, I forget exactly what it says, but is there anything you'd really like if we could? So I did. I put something on, and it's in this box, and I'm beside myself. Right, okay, Jessie, I got it. My wonderful friend Jessie over at Miss Cherry's channel, if you haven't watched her yet, she's fabulous. You've got to go and watch her. She's absolutely fantastic. And she opened this up and I was like, show us your address on the box. Oh, I'm absolutely thrilled. Absolutely thrilled. You ready? You ready? You ready? I have got my own Sully Loungefly backpack. Isn't this fabulous? I mean, seriously. Seriously, you'll be able to spot me in the parks now, won't you? So if you see this crazy woman with this on her back, you'll know it's me. Right, I'm just seeing, sometimes they do different lining, don't they? But this is going to be my camera bag. Oh, this is fab. Oh, so we've got the gel packets, which are great, because that stops, if you wonder why the gel packets in things, it's to stop things going mouldy, it takes away the moisture out the air. But don't let a child get them, whatever you do. But look, you see all the doors inside? See all the doors? I am absolutely thrilled to pieces. I really can't tell you. Yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled beyond belief. There's a little side pocket here. You see, I'm having a look all, I'm not showing them. There's a little side pocket there, and there's another one there. I wouldn't put a drink down there because I'm going to put my camera in there when I'm in the parks, and so I don't want to. I want to make sure everything stays dry. And then you've got a little front zip here. So I could put that, I could put my extra camera cards in, and then in the back, it's deep enough, it's nice and big to get my camera in, whatever else. And I'm thrilled. I'm absolutely thrilled. So thank you so much. I'm absolutely thrilled. I should have had my Monsters spirit jersey on today, shouldn't I? I am absolute. If you didn't know, I'm thrilled. So go and do it. So if you're having a box, you've got to obviously make sure you have the same box size as someone you've seen. But yeah, go. If there's anything you see, put it on there as your request, because the worst that can happen is you don't get it. The best you can happen is you feel like I do today. So I'm fine now, so I can close the rest up and I'm done. But yeah, I'm absolutely thrilled to pieces. Thank you, girls. Thank you. Thanks, Becky. Thanks, Amanda. Thanks, Brenda. Right, what else we got? Oh, we got more. Okay. Okay. Right, so this one. Oh, so this is good. This is good. This is a badge, and it's from Parkbound. I've never looked them up myself online, and I really should. And it says, look at that. I needed this one. I went with Blake to the Toy Story opening tonight. Get in, we're going to Toy Story Land. How fab is that? And I'm sure that's a play on one of the chick flicks that are out or what have you, but I think that's fab. I really love that. It's a Mean Girls quote or something. But yeah, that's fabulous. Right, what else we got in this box? I'm relieved. Oh, no. Oh, okay, so we'll come back to that. Okay, I'm coming back to that one, I forgot. So look, oh, this is fab. So I've got a cake-worthy top. Oh, this is really nice. This is really nice, right? Oh. See, now whose face is that on the front? And it's black and white. and it's about dogs, and she's a villain. And if I say Deville, it's Cruella de Vil, isn't it? Oh, that's a really fabulous top, and it's nice and long. Oh, I really like this. Really like this. That's a cake. It's a cake worthy. I think. Was it Jessie and Jessie? Did you girls give each other a box swap and you were on about cake worthy? I have, to all my fellow YouTubers, I've watched all the videos. I'm watching me in bed and I haven't commented, so I have watched them, but I've got a comment. I've only got about 70 to comment on, but I do watch them. I love that. I love that. And it's in a smaller size because I'm dieting, as you know. So yeah, I love that. I love that. Love that. It's nice and long because in the parks, I have my backpack, which if you didn't know, I have my backpack. But what I also do is I have a bum bag. That's what we call them in England, a bum bag, which is your fanny pack. But we call them a bum bag. Isn't that funny? Different names. And in there I put all my super valuables, so like my credit card and stuff, because then I'm always aware what's happening to it because it's right in front of me. But yeah, I can't believe that. And then the last item, because you see what I am fine with is I'd rather, I'm a luxury girl. I am. I like beautiful things. I do. And I'd rather have less that is more. Does that make sense? So I'm not someone that wants 20 items. No. So the fact I've got 4, but I've got 3 fabulous ones. And the button's fabulous, but this, wait till you see this one. I love it. And it's made in America with love. And it might just be an Alex and Arnie, I can't quite recall. But look. It's the Up Alex and Arnie, look at that. Oh, isn't this a fantastic box? Oh my word. Oh my word, I love it. I can't read what it says on the other things. Disney technology. Yeah. And yeah. It says yeah and yeah. I did have a magnifying glass somewhere. Let me have a look. Yeah, I've got a magnifying glass, so shall I have a look and see what the other things say? See if I can read them. Oh, I can't believe that. Right, okay. So it's got Alex and Arnie. It's product tags that make a little bit of a noise. We've got the American flag in a heart. See, I knew, didn't I? That's why I'm in Stars and Stripes, I knew. I've then got, oh, I don't know what that is. And then I've got the technology. I absolutely adore this. Girls, I can't thank you enough. This is my kind of box. This is what I like. I love it. I love it. So even if I only got 2 items in my Ultimate Box, I'd be absolutely fine, because to me, I'd rather have bigger items. So thank you. Thank you. I am absolutely thrilled. I'll put all the details down below. Oh, I've got to look at my, see, I haven't looked at my spoiler. I'm not used to having a spoiler, am I? So, shall we have a look at the value? Okay, so my, did you see I had a lounge fly bag? Did I show you that one? That's $64. Oh, $64 of bliss. My gold, it's called Gold Balloons, but my Up Alex and Arnie, which was in a box, but I did take it out of the box. I was so excited, and that was $44.95. My Cake Worthy Cruella de Vil t-shirt was $24.95, and then my Park Bound button was $4, which is a total value of $137.90. Not bad for $119 box, is it? That's not bad at all. That is absolutely fantastic. So I will put all the details down below. Go and check them out. If you're still thinking, do I, don't I, do I, don't I? Well, you know what I'm going to tell you. Go and do it. If you don't try it, you'll never know. But make sure you fill out that preference manager. Put as much detail in as you can to help the girls. Because shopping for anyone, you know yourself, you know your own friends and family, you buy them things and they've got them and they're like, really? So it's really hard thing to do, shop for someone else. So put as much detail in as you can, be as specific. You're not being rude, you're actually helping. You really are helping. So yeah, so I think this is my favourite box so far. And as we like to say in the Up movie, it can only go up. I've not been drinking, I'm just delirious with happiness. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've really enjoyed this. And I'll see you really soon. I'll see you really soon. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed watching this movie. Oh, my cheeks are hurting. I'm smiling so much, they're aching. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, then you'll miss out on no more of my videos. And you'll get an email saying I posted one, and then it's up to you if you'd like to watch it or not. And thank you. Be good, be kind. Check these guys out. And I'll see you really soon. Bye for now, everyone. Bye.